Okay, you guys, let's do this unboxing. I got 3 Brahmin handbags. All right, I really wanted the pixie, and um, they were sold out of it. The shayna I wanted, so they were sold out of it, and I looked everywhere for it. The shayna ended up coming back in stock, and actually the Stacy came back in stock also, but I called Houston Brahmin and found the Stacy, and I gotta run around. I'll never shop with Houston Brahmin again. It was just a horrible experience. So I'll never shop with them again, but I did end up getting my Stacy that finally showed up today that I will be selling because, well, I don't know. We're opening them up and we're going to see. Okay, so let's get ready to unbox. This is the Stacy. It didn't come boxed or like, with the packaging on it. So this is the Stacy. It has the dust bag inside. I'm loving it. It's just a little too big for me. I really like that side action too. I've never paid attention to the eye. I don't care about the eye, but I guess if you're loving a good eye, there's one right in the middle here. And yeah, so that's the Stacy. Okay, let's put that to the side and let's look at the shayna. Okay, this is the one that I'll probably be keeping and selling the Stacy. Either one of them will be sold. And the Arctic Blue is another one that I got the Arctic Blue because I didn't think I was going to be able to get the pixie, and I wanted the holographic glitter effect. And I seen that they had the Arctic Blue that came out right after those had sold out, and I had purchased it, and I would love to keep both the blue and the pink. I really cannot afford to do that, so I'm paying attention to my fingers. I was messing with the printer again today, putting ink in it, and got ink all over my fingers. So okay, I'll be right back as we take this out the baggie. All right, you guys, we got this undone. Let's get ready to take it out the baggie. Ta-da! That's the back. I'm loving the back. I'm loving the back. That means this probably has an eye on the front. And I ain't gonna lie to y'all, I don't really care for the eye. Look how beautiful that is. I love the holographic color. Absolutely love it. Okay. Let's turn it around and see the front. Oh, no eye. Yes. I love that it doesn't have an eye. Because I didn't want an eye. I don't know why that's sticking out. I hate that that's sticking out. But I'll poke that back in there. I just love this bag. I don't care. I love it. I like crossbodies now. I didn't used to wear a crossbody, but I do like a crossbody now. Oh my gosh. Okay. I don't know why they did that. But alright. Let's see. Is my... Yep. There's my dust bag in the bottom. You guys see the inside, and here we are. Okay, hold on just a moment. Okay, there is the Stacy and the shayna. I just like the shayna better. I mean, I actually love the Stacy. I really do. Looking at it, oh my goodness. But I like a crossbody, so, and I can't keep both. So yeah. Alright, let's get this Arctic Blue out. I'll be right back. Okay, we have this undone. Now let's take out this is the Arctic Blue. So yeah. Let's take this out. Oh, so pretty. Oh my goodness. How pretty that is. Such a beautiful bag. This is the Katie. Lord have mercy. I like the dark blue in there. That pretty dark blue in there. This camera does not do it justice. No feet on the bottom. But I still love it. Let's look at the back. There's it. I guess everybody loves this bag. It's so beautiful. So that and this. Oh goodness, let's do a lineup. Okay, you guys, here's the lineup. Beautiful bags. I want to keep all three. But I'm going to have to sell probably the two, the blue and the pink, the Stacy and the Katie, and keep the Shayna. We'll see. I'm going to put them up kind of high, so, you know, somebody who really, really wants them have to get them. And then if they don't get them, then I'll be forced to keep them. All right. So, Brahmin haul, Pixie Dust, Stacy, Pixie Dust, Shayna, and Arctic Blue. And I'm going to put my Mickey on here. See my Mickey? He's going to go perfect on there. That's going to be my hang tag. He would go with any of these, though. Like, he really would. Oh, my gosh. But he's going to go perfect with that pink in honor of my mommy. It's going to hang. Love it. All right.